Ever wonder what happens when the laughter fades and the lights go out at your favorite theme park? We're taking you on a road trip unlike any other. Deep into the eerie, forgotten worlds of abandoned amusement parks where silence has replaced screams of joy. Prepare to see rusty roller coasters and silent carousels tell haunting tales of their past glory. The thrill of a theme park is undeniable, but what about the silent, ghostly echoes of laughter in a forgotten one? Kicking off our unique road trip Stops' series, we're trading crowded lines for eerie quiet. Why abandoned theme parks? We're exploring the captivating beauty and untold stories of these decaying dreamlands. Each forgotten toy, each silent ride, holds a piece of a story, a whisper from the past. These parks are not merely ruins, they are time capsules preserving moments of joy now cloaked in melancholy. From the grand entrance to the smallest forgotten game, every detail tells a tale of abandonment. Join us as we peel back the layers of time, revealing the haunting beauty that lies beyond the ticket booth. Our first stop, a place where the vibrant spirit of New Orleans once soared, now swallowed by the swamp. Six Flags, New Orleans. What was once Jazzland, then Six Flags, met its fate with Hurricane Katrina, leaving it frozen in time since 2005. Navigating the overgrown paths, it's a stark reminder of nature's relentless power to reclaim. And there it is, the Mega Zeph, a colossal monument to forgotten thrills now silently observing the swamp. Every rusted bolt, every faded piece of paint tells a story of the elements slowly, inexorably taking over. Nature has a way of reclaiming, even finding new purpose within the decay, like this small nest. These structures, once symbols of exhilarating escape, now stand as poignant monuments to what once was. The remnants of joy, the characters that once greeted excited children, now silently witness the passage of time. Game over, indeed. Not just for this machine, but for a whole community that lost a cherished place of escape. We reflect on the lost. Memories, the laughter, the shared meals, all now just echoes in the silence. A small shoe, a silent witness to countless forgotten stories, a poignant reminder of lives once lived here. The quiet pools reflect a past filled with splashes and delight, now murky and still. The sheer surreal current state, a former beacon of fun, now a relic of a devastating storm. Every rusted rail, every faded warning whispers caution in a place where danger is now silence, not speed. The slow drip, a metronome of decay, counting the moments since the park fell silent. Even the pathways that once led to adventure now crumble beneath the weight of time and neglect. A faded brochure, a ghostly echo of the park's vibrant past, a stark contrast to its present stillness. Six Flags New Orleans, a haunting reminder of nature's dominance, a poignant chapter in our journey through abandoned dreams. Our road trip takes an unexpected turn, crossing continents to find another forgotten gem, this time in Berlin. Welcome to Spree Park, an East German park with a dramatic past, a truly unique time capsule of terror and triumph. The silent giant of Spree Park, its colossal Ferris wheel, a motionless sentinel overseeing decades of change. Each empty cabin, once held laughter, now only carries the weight of history and the wind's mournful sigh. And then the prehistoric inhabitants, the dinosaur statues, now overgrown, guarding a forgotten realm. Their silent gazes seem to hold the secrets of Spree Park's complex journey from communist-era joy to capitalist decay. Its initial popularity after the fall of the Berlin Wall gave way to an eventual closure steeped in drama and controversy. The echoes of joyous boat rides have long faded, replaced by the rustle of reeds and the croaking of frogs. Layers of history, from vibrant murals to modern graffiti, tell the story of a park continually redefined by time and people. Despite its decay, there are ongoing attempts at revitalization, a testament to its enduring allure and historical significance. Spree Park embodies a fascinating struggle, the beautiful decay of the past clashing with the ambitious dreams of the future. Our journey now takes a darker turn, venturing into a place where history and haunting intertwine. Deep in West Virginia lies Lake Shawnee Amusement Park, a place with a truly chilling history. Built upon what's alleged to be a Native American burial ground, the park's story is steeped in tragedy. Paranormal whispers abound here, tales of children lost to tragic accidents during its operational years. The merry-go-round, a symbol of innocent joy, now stands as a chilling centerpiece of sorrow and alleged hauntings. Each artifact here seems to hold a fragment of a lost life, a whisper of a story cut tragically short. The very land seems to remember, to hold the energy of those who came before and those who met their untimely end. It's a place that demands respectful exploration, understanding the history and folklore that permeate every corner. We acknowledge the deep cultural significance, approaching this site not just as an abandoned park, but as hallowed ground. The park's own attempts at creating fear pale in comparison to the genuine unease woven into its very foundation. Another small toy, another forgotten dream, another fragment adding to the park's somber narrative. Lake Shawnee, a place where the veil between worlds feels thin, a testament to the power of history and folklore. These unique road trip stops offer more than just sights. They offer stories, history, and a chance for reflection. Planning your own eerie adventure? Remember essential tips for safely and legally exploring abandoned sites. Always do your research, understand the legalities, and avoid trespassing. Respect the property and its history. These places are fragile, leave no trace, take nothing but photos, and carry out only memories. Beyond the video, we encourage you to share your own unique road trip, finds and abandoned place stories in the comments below. Your insights and experiences help us all discover more of the hidden gems out there. This is just the beginning of our journey. What off-the-beaten-path adventure will we find next? Teasing the next unique Road Trip Stops episode, urging viewers to subscribe for more. Until then, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and never stop seeking the untold stories of our world. The quiet beauty of decay is everywhere, from the grand structures to the smallest forgotten joy. These shattered reflections symbolize the broken dreams, the distorted memories of vibrant pasts. Padlocks may secure these gates, but they cannot contain the stories whispered by the wind. No more tickets, no more crowds, just the silent passage of time marking its relentless pace. Even the cheerful faces on the walls now wear the solemn mask of abandonment. The lights have gone out, but a different kind of life now thrives in the quiet corners. Nature's embrace is slow but relentless, gradually erasing the lines of human creation. The exit sign, now pointing to nowhere, a final ironic touch in a landscape of abandonment. From the swamps of Louisiana to the forests of Berlin and West Virginia, each park tells a unique, haunting tale. Even in decay, finds a way, adapting and thriving in the quiet corners of forgotten worlds. The mechanics of joy, now silent and still, form abstract sculptures of their past purpose. Within these forgotten offices, you can almost feel the hurried departure, the abrupt end to an era. A lone bench, a silent observer of countless stories, now patiently waiting for the wind to tell its own. Even the hardest surfaces yield to the slow, persistent power of the natural world. Directions to amenities that no longer exist, a small, humorous detail in a vast landscape of somber reflection. As the sun sets on these forgotten places, they leave us with a sense of wonder and a deep appreciation for the transient nature of joy. These unique road trip stops have taught us that even in decay, there is profound beauty and powerful stories. Resilience blooms in the most unexpected places, a quiet testament to life's enduring spirit. So hit the road, explore, and uncover the forgotten wonders that await. The adventure continues